Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon to all. So for today, we'll start the online learning with our e-learning usa.my. You can follow my teaching by scrolling to the week. That is week 9. Okay, let me click this on week 9. Okay, Katia Wireframe and Surface Design, there's a folder. Okay, click this and you will see a list of things that we will go through. First, after I have uploaded my YouTube video, you can watch my YouTube video by clicking this link. Next, you can refer my PDF presentation here. Okay, that I will show today. And then next, please complete the tutorial with Katia workbook, which can be downloaded from here. So I have set the link for you to download the file there. Third, recheck your understanding by reviewing and go through the workflow and checklist. Number 4, fill in this form so that I know you have checked in this page. This is the attendance form. 5, download your assignment here and make sure you submit or by the due date. Every due date and wasan. Okay, so you can later download here your assignment. I didn't put yet for now, but then later you can check. Right, so first we'll look at my PDF presentation. Okay, so this is for the wireframe surface. Previously we have learned about knowledge wear and part design and also sketching. So now we'll go a bit deep to the wireframe and surface design. It's about doing wireframe, wire and frame and surfaces to do a not straight shape design. It will be a curved shapes or anything that needs something is not plain shape. Right, so for today, you can sign up your attendance later. You can download your assignment later also. We learn about the wireframe and surface design first. Okay, so wireframe and surface design will have another new workbench. Show you in this Katia start mechanical design. This is part design that we have learned before. We have the wireframe and surface design over here. Wireframe and surface design. And if you go through to the tutorial, we show you to use tools not only in wireframe and surface design workbench. You also will use tools in shapes, that is generative shape design, GSD. Call it GSD, generative shape design. So go to the wireframes and surface design in the mechanical design first. Let's click it here. As usual, you can insert your part name or just leave it there. Please click this box, enable hybrid design, and create a geometrical set. Leave these 2 boxes. Only tick 1 and 2 box. Alright, so this is the box. This is the workbench. Tools, you might want to put the icons in its standard place. So restore all content and restore positions. Right, so mine have this Innovia V5, so we just ignore this and also ignoring this. Right, so let's look on our screen. First, we have entered wireframe and surface design. So the process is like this. You need to create sketch. Next, after you have created sketch, you need to do next process, that is creating 3D design. There will be in yellow surfaces, yellow color surfaces, and next convert those to solids, and then applying material, and then you can save the file. So why we need to convert this to solid? Because when we create 3D design using wireframe and surface design, it will have surfaces that no thickness. So when we convert to solids, it will have a thickness, and we can apply material so that the properties of the material will be applied to the solids. So it's different between yellow colored and gray colored. Okay, so yellow colored is the surfaces only, while gray colored will have solids, okay, that you can apply material later. Okay, so this is processes summarizing of all works in the tutorial. That is, first you need to do profiles. This is the profile for a simple shape, right? You have 1, 2, and 3 similar circles with same diameter. That is, we call this as profiles. Right, so let's do this in this Wireframe and Surface Design workbench. So this will be the first XY plane. Let's sketch it using 2D sketch. Create this one with 20 diameter. Okay. Okay. Or if just this is too small, then we can change this into 40. No, 40 diameter. Alright, the shape looks better. Next, create planes. Let's make it 80. Create one more sketch. So right now we'll use 3D design. Okay, this is the circle definitions. Select the center point, or you can select the support first. Here, center, create point, which will be the point will be set at 0, 0, 0. Click OK. Geometry and support, and create this as a circle. Okay, you can set this as 80 or smaller, 40. So this is another method to create sketch. This is using 2D sketch. Okay, this is 2D sketch, while this is 3D sketch. Okay, so another plane with another circles. We use 3D sketch right now. Support. Pick this one. Create a point as a center. Geometry and support. Okay, geometry is on support. Support on plane 2. Circle. Like this. So we have now 3 circles. This 3 profiles. Next, it is advisable for us to have guides. So we need to have guides if the shape is not uniform. Okay, but for now we can do guides. So how we want to do this? If you want to do guides, we can use it as a line. Okay, or using spline. So both of these need points reference. Such as this line need points also. So how we can do this? We need to create point on each of the circles. Okay, this is a point type on curve. We want the point to be exactly on the circles, so we make it on curve. The ratio curve of length. This is easier. 0, make it 0. for the first point, and while for the second point we will create 0.5. That, so we have 2 points on each circles to we complete this process. 0 and 0.5. So this is 0. This is 0.5. Okay, so we create guides. So this will be line 0.1 to 0.2. We have 3, so we can use this line 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have finished our guides. So in this section we put 4, but then we use only these 2 for now. Okay, when we want to create a surface, this is the next requirement. You need to have the arrow directions are similar. So we use this icon, multi-section surface. So the first window is showing we need to have sections of profile 1, 2, and 3. So we need to have guide 1 and 2. So this is the arrow that I have mentioned before. 1, 2, and 3. It need to be in same directions so that it will create the surfaces. So sometimes if we don't have the directions of the arrow not similar like this, change this to another to opposite directions. So this is looking that way, this is in that way. So this send middle arrow direction is looking at this directions. So let's make it a preview. So it will have problem with this. Okay, so let's change this that way. Okay, so this is the prerequisite for the arrow directions in any of the process that you use later. Okay, next, show before arrow direction are similar and similar locations. So this direction, this arrow should be in similar locations. Replace this, let's replace this to here. Here we have this closing point over here, this arrow. Let's make it a preview. It will be a problem. There are problem for this because this closing point 1 is over here, closing point 2 is over here, and this closing point 3 is over here. So we need to change this to here. Okay. So now we have these surfaces. Yellow surfaces means it's only a surface with no solids.